So my name is Darren Leigh. I'm the Chief Executive Officer of Unipart Group. The Unipart started in 1974. Today, Unipart provides supply chain solutions and performance improvement technologies to help our customers maintain efficient, resilient, and sustainable supply chains. So Unipart has obviously had to evolve significantly over the last 5 years, as many companies and most of our customers have also had to do. Fortunately, Unipart has a history of reinvention. Change and evolution has been part of Unipart's DNA since the very early days. We've become a far more integrated business, and we've evolved our market offerings to offer our customers a much broader and more aligned portfolio of supply chain products, services, and solutions. So next 12 to 18 months are very exciting for Unipart. We've acquired 2 new businesses this year, and we've implemented those businesses into the portfolio of product, services, and solutions that we already offer the marketplace. We will look for additional margin accretive acquisitions that will allow us to continue to serve our customers better than anyone else.